Well, we hope you enjoyed that little glimpse of the Blackwood River. I've got a problem with my drone, hence the jittery video. I tried to clean it up a bit, but yeah, it didn't work. So it is what it is. Hi everybody, welcome to the vlog again. Day 2. We've left Pemberton and we're heading to Augusta, and then we'll head down to Leeuwin, Cape Leeuwin and the lighthouse. But at the moment, as you can see behind me, we're on the banks of the Blackwood River, which is on the main highway heading into Augusta. It was nice and sunny when we got to the bridge, and by the time we stopped and got the camera out and got everything sorted, it's raining again. I was just about to start to, it's just drizzling, dripping a bit. Yeah, it looks beautiful here. It would be perfect in summer to bring little dinghy down or boats down. There's a little launching ramp here, but not something that you could drive all the way down into. But I'm sure there will be further upriver. Well, now we're going to carry on down to Augusta. We'll have some coffee and a morning snack, and then we'll head down to Leeuwin and we'll see what's happening down there. I've got the drone with me, so hopefully we can get some drone photos as well. Alright, catch up with you later. So as we get ready to leave Alexander Bridge and head to Carradale, and then we do a left hand turn to Augusta, my 8 o'clock tablet alarm has just gone off, so I've taken my tablets and we're going to hit the road. Are you ready, Jack? Okay, let's go, Jack, come on. As we get ready to leave, my spidey senses tell me it is 22.85 kilometres to Augusta from here. People keep telling me my distances are not clear enough. I think that's clear enough. And after a very quick 21 kilometre trip, I see the slow down sign here as we get very close to Carradale. Once we get to Carradale, we'll hang a left, and it won't be very far to Augusta, and then we'll have some coffee break and maybe even a cake. What do you reckon, Jack? Some cake? Well, no direct reply from Jack, just a high-speed tail wag, so I'll assume that that's a yes. Alright, we'll see what happens when we get to Carradale. Jack, look! Jack, there's a school bus, look! Yeah, you missed it. So I hope you enjoyed our little trip to Carradale. Yeah, if you blink, you missed it. Now we're on the Bussel Hwy, which runs from Busselton to Augusta. Very beautiful farmland around here. It's always nice and green. Well, most of the time it's nice and green because of the rainfall again. But now it's time for Warp Factor 2, Mr. Sulu. Time for some high speed. Well, just passing the 80-kilometre sign, so it can't be too far now until we get to Augusta. Hang on, what's this I see ahead? Yeah, it's the sign that says welcome to Augusta. So only a few cars now and we'll be in town. Augusta is a town in the southwest of Western Australia, where the Blackwood River that we saw earlier emerges into the Flinders Bay. It is the nearest town to Cape Leeuwin on the furthest southwest corner of Western Australian continent. In 2001, the census had a population of 1,091, and by 2016, as I haven't got the latest census, the population had grown to 1,109, so not very much at all, so it's still quite a small community. Just off to the right here is Helio Park, with the obligatory lawn bowl club just off to the right as well. Clever boy, Jack. Jack's just spotted the bakery on the left. We'll call back and have a closer look at that and sample a few of the local goodies. And now down on the left hand side there's more shops, the Augusta liquor store, the pharmacies down on that side. And I'd like to give a bit of a shout out to the BP people on the right here, who helped me out with an electrical problem I had with my fridge and managed to get the beers cold for the rest of the weekend. And as we leave the main shopping centre area of town and head through the suburbs, just over the hill in front of us is the harbour, local fishing harbour, and the Leeuwin lighthouse at Cape Leeuwin. But I think that's about enough for this video for this week. So we'll say goodbye here and we'll see you all in the next video. So here we are at the end of the second day. I think it's the second day. I'll have to look back on my diary. At the marina, the fishing boat harbour and the local marina. We're just watching this weather blow through. I'm hopeful it's going to clear tomorrow so we can get some nice videos and photos of the Cape and the Leeuwin Lighthouse. So I'd like to thank you all very much for watching the videos, and just remember the usual, like and subscribe, ring that little bell and you'll get notifications for next time videos come up. So okay, thank you everybody. Well, bye bye for now. We'll catch you all in the next episode. Bye.